Hello, happy Saturday. It is about 2 o'clock. We had a really lazy morning. I didn't get really any clips. I made coffee and then I edited the vlog that I posted today in bed. My husband slept in and then just watched a movie in bed. And we both did a little bit of cleaning up. I took a nice shower and I'm gonna go meet my husband in town for some lunch slash I don't know what else. We'll probably just bop around, but it is nice. It's 42, which since it's been, 8, it feels really good. So let's go into town together. Had a nice time out with some friends. We're gonna head home and grill some dinner. We're back home. I got some sweats on, took my heavy sweater off. I realized I didn't do my advent calendar yet, so let's do that. My husband is getting ready to grill some dinner for us, and then we'll probably settle in. So let's start with the advent calendar, and then we also got a gift from a friend today, and I want to show you that, but it's downstairs. Okay. Advent calendar. Today is the 7th. Got this one. It's got elephants on it. Cute. All right, let's see what we got. Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel. Visibly exfoliates by rolling and lifting, sweeping away impurities. Okay, so some sort of face treatment. I will try that. I always love a good face mask, so I'll see what this is all about. I don't think I've ever tried something like this before. Maybe I have, but I'm curious. If you've tried this, let me know. So one of our friends saw us out and gave us this beautiful gift basket. It's so sweet. The note was really special. Thank you for bringing joy to those around you. May our holidays be blessed and bright. So kind. Yeah, we never expect gifts from anybody, but I'm so grateful for this and I'm excited to open it up. So I think I need some scissors, but we'll get it open. Look at this. So my husband's favorite drink are these Topo Chico mineral waters. So some of those, a couple of candy canes. Love all the little decor she did. And then this mug, which is, oh, I'm dropping things. So cute, this gingerbread. I was looking at getting like some holiday mugs. So this is perfect. It just has a little chocolate, crispy honey gingerbread bits dunked in milk chocolate. Oh my God, I'm gonna love that. How sweet, and look at all these pretty decorations. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put it. And then obviously this nice basket. So, oh, I love that. Morning. Happy Sunday. I am going to the grocery store. It is like raining slush. It's really gross out. It's not too bad as far as like visibility. It's just kind of slippery. So I'm gonna take my time. We're gonna go slow, but yeah, it's gross out. So we're gonna get a few things and then probably stay in most of the day. Hello friends, my husband is a good man. He made us taco bowls for lunch, which is really nice. So we did that, and he is going into town to meet up with a buddy. I'm going to put a few things away and then eventually go meet him in town too. But yeah, I was trying to shovel up some of the ice in front of our house. It didn't work so well, but while I was doing that, he put the groceries away because I was gonna do a grocery haul, but he put everything away. Basically, I got just some stuff for the week. I plan to do bagels and cream cheese with some salmon, smoked salmon on it for lunches this week. My husband's gonna be traveling, so I can have salmon because he doesn't like the smell or taste of it or anything. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm also gonna make a big pot of goulash. And then we also have a couple of things of leftovers, but I have a feeling we might eat those tonight. So we'll just see, but that's essentially what I got. And then some more like coffee creamer. Oh, and then I also got some stuff to make some egg bites, which I think I might prep later tonight. We'll see what my energy is like. All right, let's see what's in the advent calendar for today. Today is the 8th. Cute. Let's see. Oh, nest, okay. What scent is this? Oh, lychee rose. All right, let's give this a smell. I like that. Very fresh. I'm gonna like that a lot in the spring. Okay, I'm gonna pull the cover off the windshield of my car. We're gonna head into town. Like I said, we've got friends kind of coming through. They're gonna stop for lunch before they keep going with their drive. So I'm gonna go see them, but bundled up, still have my sweatshirt on, just added a hat and a cuter coat. All right, let's do it. Happy Monday. I'm making my coffee. I feel like the weekend was really boring for Vlogmas, so I'm sorry if that felt boring. I'm gonna try to zhuzh it up with some music and make it cozy feeling, but yeah, my husband he's like on the brink of getting a cold. He sounds a little stuffy, but we tried to just focus on rest yesterday when we got back from town. So he took a nice nap and I took a little bit of a nap, and then otherwise I just watched a movie in bed with him. And I helped him pack. He is off already. He left the house at like 4:30 this morning to go to the airport, so but yeah, he's fine. Gonna sleep on the plane. He'll be all right, but it's his last work trip of the year, which is great. So then he'll be home with me, and I love that. Today is, yeah, Monday. I've got kind of like meetings scattered throughout the day. So for Vlogmas, outside of these vlogs, I have a list of things that I want to film this week, and I'm going to try to get a couple of those things like started this morning. A lot of meetings today that are kind of like scattered throughout my day, so I don't have a good like chunk of time to just sit down and film, but what I want to film today at least are things that I can like come back to. Like I don't have to film it all in one go. So we're gonna do that. I did heatless curls last night. I'm still waiting for them to just drop a little bit. Mine are always tighter in the morning than what I prefer. I like it's a little bit softer like this. So just kind of running my hands through to help it just drop a little. But yeah, that is what I have going on. I'm making this coffee. I'm gonna go put some makeup on, and then we'll get into the day. Okay, let's see what's in the advent calendar for today. Today is the 9th, this big one over here. It doesn't feel very heavy though, so let's see. Maybe it's like a tube type product. Oh, okay, the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. I feel like I've used this in the past. I think this would be perfect timing for winter. I always need really intense creams, so that's great. I think my husband would like this too, so I might have him try it out as well. Cool. Well, I like that. I'm happy to get that. Having some lunch. My husband does not like salmon, but I love it. So I've got smoked salmon on cream cheese on bagel that was toasted. So I'm excited to dive in. My afternoon Diet Coke. And yeah, I'm just going to take a little bit of break from work and enjoy this and watch some other people's Vlogmas, see what they're up to this December. Okay, hi everyone. I am making some sausage because I'm going to make my egg bites for the rest of the week. I thought I would show you how I'm going to make them. I've looked up a recipe or two and I'm just kind of winging it. I've got onion, bell pepper, some spinach, cheese, some seasonings to add in, the sausage. It'll be great. I'm excited. So let me turn you around and show you what we're going to do. So while those are in the oven, I'm gonna work on editing the vlog because this vlog goes up tomorrow already. It feels like these go so fast. So I'm gonna work on editing past 2 days, clips, and like the morning, and then in the morning, I'll just finish up the last few clips and export and all that fun stuff, but gotta get a move on. So I'm gonna work on that while those bake, and probably a little bit of other editing this evening too. Those look super good. The outside bits of the spinach got a little burnt, should have known better, but whatever. I'm excited to try these tomorrow. They look so good. They smell good. So I got a little hungry. I'm gonna have this leftover chicken and Chick-fil-A sauce and watch an episode of Bob's Burgers, and kind of settle in for a little bit. Then back to editing and maybe a walk on the treadmill tonight. We'll see. But first, food. All right, you guys, I did a little walk. It felt good. It was just over a mile, and I started watching the Princess Diaries, such a cute one. But I am ready to go upstairs and go to bed. So I'm going to get my jammies on. I'm going to wash my face, get into bed, and unwind for the evening. And this is going to wrap up the vlog. So I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.